friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'm going to unbox the Realme band friends. So finally I got hands on with the Realme band. So if you're watching first time this channel friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of other videos. So where you can find plenty of useful playlist friends. So as you can see, playlist related to the PUBG battery drain and the YouTube drain test as well. So you can find in the description friends. So don't forget to check the description, which will be very helpful for you all in terms of knowing the what wallpaper I'm using. So I get a lot of requests that what wallpaper you are using exactly in all your phones, which will cover the notch or punch hole phones. So if you want to know, you can check the wallpaper playlist friends, so where you can find useful wallpapers. So as you can see, there are plenty of playlists available in my channel, and these are my recently uploaded videos friends. So definitely if you are interested, take a look at the videos. So there is a solar panel which recently I have purchased, and that is very good in terms of charging the phones. And let's get started the Realme band. So it is a Realme band friends, and this is the first time I am trying the fitness band from the Realme. And before I used to use the MI band, but now I stopped using that band. But let me try using the Realme band for some time, and I'll be keep posted friends with the how is the functionality it is, and how is the battery life it is, and how is the weight and everything about the phone. So this is just the unboxing video to demonstrate what are the contents you get along with the phone, along with the band. The main reason why I like about this band is that you won't get any chargers or any cables to charge the fitness band friends, so which is very good. So you have the inbuilt USB here. So that is one best advantage friends with this Realme band. But I am a little bit curious about the battery life, how long this gonna survive in terms of the battery, because MI Fit bands are very good in terms of the battery in their fitness trackers. And let me check the battery of this Realme band as well friends, and I will be posting the plenty of videos in the future regarding the battery percentage and how the band is useful in the everyday life. So is it worth or not? So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and do check the links in description friends if you want to know more gadget reviews or any other reviews. So you can find very interesting playlist. So that's it for this video friends. So there is nothing much to unbox this fitness band. So basically I will do the unboxing videos just to give everyone a clear idea that I got the device, and if you have any queries you can ask me in the comments below. So that is the reason mainly behind doing this kind of unboxing videos, so which will help others to know that I got the gadget, and if you have doubts I can try with my phone or with my band. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.